welcome to my channel Real Life. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello everyone, good morning, and I hope all of you have a great day. Today it's Saturday here. Today we're going out to find an RV or motorhome that we can buy. So we're here at the Oak Lake. Yeah.
I don't see a damn thing here.
Arrived.
But if you don't go in and ask, you don't know.
Yes. That's their office. So we're here now, guys, and let's see if we can find a RV or motorhome here.
Not with you?
No.
Are you fucked up?
Why?
How are you gonna go and look at this shit?
I
Yeah, it is small. It's all we need. Yeah. Yeah. Well, the thing is, there's something easy to drive.
Yeah. So that slide goes out and that's your bed that comes down?
Okay. So just have a slide.
Yep, just that one.
All right.
Back there. And then you got up here. And then this actually is a bunk.
Yep.
Electric. That'll come down if you need extra sleeping. If not, you just leave it up.
Okay.
Oh, it's not.
What running gear does this have? That's the important thing to me.
The running gear?
Is it Ford, Chevy, Chrysler?
I think it's Ford.
Hey, which one? The V10, the
This is
460?
a Triton V10 6.8 liter.
How many miles out of the ass?
This one has 16,000, 12 miles.
Okay.
So it's got low miles.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
It's a 2018.
So this is the bed.
Super old, but not super new.
Yeah, you know, some of them like...
Because a lot of times you get cramped little
Oh,
bathrooms.
yeah.
They're not very fun to use.
Yeah. What kind of money is we talking on this?
So this one, let's see. We have this one priced at $69,877.
That's going to be too much for me.
Okay, what kind of price range?
That's it. That would bother me. Because I'm not going to take it out of my 401.
Are you okay with Class C?
Well, if it's too small, no.
I have let's see, so I got a 23-foot Class C slide. So it does kind of open it up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
Is the Phoenix still in the shop, or did that get moved out?
It's down the Motorhome line.
Okay.
All right, thank you. So they just finished this one.
That camper that they showed to us, it's $69,000. And that is $8,000. It's too short. We're going to check this.
Nice.
2004. Now that slide would go out, of course, and you'd get a little more. You can see
Another
it.
2.5
Yeah,
feet.
you can see it's dated, basically.
Sure.
But if you're just planning on cruising around,
Just around it.
it's not, yeah, it opens up. So you got your bed there, you got your bathroom there, your dining. It won't last long. Usually, the little motorhomes in that anywhere between $20,000 and $30,000 price range, they go pretty fast. So this one I could see not lasting long. And like I said, they just took this one out of there.
Yeah, it's not all beat up or anything.
No, it was all taken care of. Little rugs.
This is the fridge.
I don't see any.
A little older
Damage
couple,
is
they
done.
took care of it.
Yeah.
It's just stuff that ate on it.
Yeah.
But taken care of. So.
This is good size for us.
Yeah, 23 feet. So
Yeah.
you can still get in and out of places. You don't, not
Yeah.
cumbersome.
Yeah.
Some of them get pretty huge. You got your AC, you got your power vent, you got your bathroom back there. It's not huge, but it's still decent size. It's not like a dry bath or wet bath.
How do you open this?
Just push it.
Oh, it's open and
Push it. You gotta push that in pretty hard.
Oh.
The plastic kind of gets
well, it's some kind of a weekend rig, you know?
Yeah, I mean, so you got a shower, you got your toilet, you got
you
your
go ahead
sink.
to the casino to watch the shows, to get out
Yeah,
there.
and you don't want to drive home and crash out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
This should probably be
This is
worth it. Yeah. So I was thinking you might like this one.
yeah, I do.
And it does have a tow thing on the back, so if you do decide to go out of state, you want to tow
Oh, it does
something
have.
along. It is set up for the tow.
Okay.
And the tires on this are
Yeah.
cameras.
The only thing I'd be hanging on the back of it is the motorcycle.
Well, yeah, like yeah, exactly. If you decide to go to Sturgis or something, or go someplace or something. This
So
one
we can
has-
compare.
This is a Triton V8, so this is going to have a
Oh.
smaller motor, so a little better gas mileage.
Well, I don't think you buy one of these for gas mileage.
No, you don't. This one's got 137.
Wow.
They did use this one, and they did tool around the United States out with it.
Yeah, that's about.
It's a 97, so it's a little.
Yeah.
They redid up there though, so you can see all the new paneling up there. That was all redone. The old paneling was just all icky and
Sure.
stuff, but this one doesn't have any slides. So, you know, you put your.
This is what you got.
This is what you got. Doesn't open up at all. But it's a fraction of the cost of the
Yeah.
other one, so.
Yeah. Yeah. You get what you pay for in
Yeah.
many respects.
Yeah, so.
Perfect for our dog, the
Perfect for our dog.
the couch.
But you can tow him too, though. The exact count price, I would say, is that 2004 Phoenix one.
Yeah.
Go right up on that one down
Yeah,
there.
yeah, I can. We can go back in the office and I can get you a quote.
And we'll right up on this one.
This one too?
Yeah. Well.
Guys, look at that. It's a motorhome, but looks like a house already. It's really so expensive. I like this one. We still have the mountain like that.
They go up in the spring.
I like doing things out of season. Yeah.
Now when I go to look for my birth date, I'm like, ugh, 77 was so long ago.
I think one of the first ones I had was like an 80-something model.
Yeah.
You know.
I can't believe that was that long ago. It's
Didn't
great.
it?
2025, man.
Yeah.
This is crazy we're coming up on that.
Oh, this is nice. So cute. Yes. It's like
The 70,000 is more than I would expect. I'm telling you, $500 a month jump. You know, you can buy a goddamn house for $500 a month. You know.
Guys, we found some prospect to buy, but we're still thinking about it. I like the first one, but it's 74,000 and it will cost 600 a month. It's a bit heavy. This is Moose Lake town, right?
Yeah. Moose Lake Brewing Company.
Mm-hmm.
Tap
They
room.
have also tap room.
Vintage gifts.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's also a small town.
It is. You got the fish market.
Yep. But it's nice. Lots of cute houses.
Mexican restaurant.
Yeah, El Alche. Lazy Moose.
Grilled gifts. Breakfast all day.
Yeah, breakfast all day. Wow.
Yeah.
They always just wake up.
Yeah. This is where we gotta turn.
But you know, it looks like this one is better than Cohasset. Yeah.
It's better than Cohasset. Cohasset don't have this many stores.
Yes.
Or this much population.
This is also small, but better than Cohasset.
Moose Lake.
They
was
have a
always-
historical museum.
Yeah. Well, Moose Lake was always known to be a place for some kind of insane asylum around here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where it is. I've never seen it. But
Well, this is a productive drive because
It was.
we found a computation of how much possible that will.
well, I wanted to open your eyes to how I think and how we get started.
Yeah, I'm looking forward on that because you see, it's like you want to get out
Yes.
and then we keep on driving around. But if we travel, it's almost the same. And we will see other places, not just here.
Well, we're going to go where it's warm, for one thing.
Yes, we can go to the warmer place.
Yeah.
What is this place? It's nice house, but it's like almost in the wilderness.
Yeah. I like your term on wilderness, Mr. Walls falling in.
The walls falling down, the roof. But this is nice.
Yeah, there's some nice little houses, but there's no place to go shopping.
Church, Lutheran. Well, they have to drive to Hibing. That one, nice. Mobile home. Yeah. Cromwell is like a Cohasset.
This is it. That's all there is.
Yep. A small town. And they have a big football there. Not that big. Via Vista.
What's this?
Bicycle?
That's what I'm saying. What the hell is this?
It's a Chinese. Tricycle.
It's an electric one.
I'm so
So it comes out
hungry.
of the same budget.
I'm so hungry now.
Yeah, still comes out of the same budget.
Same budget but different day. I drive a lot.
Jesus Christ.
We drive farther. It's
An hour. It's
an
an
hour
hour.
and a half.
Yeah, well, it's an hour home. So I don't know what to do.
The road's so slippery.